Today I'm going to show you how to restore the hidden file on your flash, USB flash, or how you can restore the corrupted file on your flash when your file attacked by virus. You have to find CMD, okay, CMD. But first of all, you have to connect the corrupted USB flash. Is this one. Then open CMD. Here on this flash we have letter E, or the label of this USB drive is E. Then we are going to access this drive into CMD. You see here we have in driver C in the folder of users into this user. Then we are going to go back. This is okay. Then another one, cd dash dash, okay. And then I'm going to show you how you can enter into this driver. Then you have letter E, type E, then there's a point, then enter. You see, we changed the folder, or we changed the path. Here we are in the path of local disk C, and then here we have driver E. Then type attrib H dash S, then slash S slash D, then press enter like this. It is finished. Here on your flash you will get all your files corrupted. They will be restored. Thank you for watching this video. Instead of using this process, you can use a software which is called USB show. But if you don't have USB show, you can use these commands. Use into command prompt by writing these only. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested or you liked the videos of this channel, like, share and comment the video of the channel. Thank you for watching.